Welcome to IT-Conductor. In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to onboard a Microsoft SQL Server into IT-Conductor and explore its monitoring capabilities. On today's agenda, we have the following topics. Why monitor MSSQL? Microsoft SQL Server is the backbone of many enterprise applications, trusted for its scalability and data handling capacity. Monitoring in IT-Conductor allows you to track usage, tune performance, and analyze historical trends critical for proactive optimization of your MSSQL servers. Prerequisites. Before starting, prepare a dedicated monitoring account on the MSSQL server with the necessary permissions. Ideally, grant the sysadmin role. If assigning the sysadmin role is not possible due to company policies, make sure the monitoring account has these roles and permissions assigned. These can all be configured directly on the MSSQL server. Add a new Microsoft SQL Server in IT-Conductor. Step 1. Log in with your IT-Conductor credentials. Step 2. Go to Dashboards, then Administrator to access the Administrator's dashboard. Step 3. Find the Microsoft SQL Servers section and click on its title to open the list of onboarded SQL servers. Step 4. Click New SQL Server to launch the onboarding wizard. Fill out the wizard fields. Description: a short description of the server. If you've previously created organizations in IT-Conductor, choose one from the drop-down menu. Next, select a role. In this case, we will select Development. If you've previously created sites on IT-Conductor, they'll show up here and you can select one, but it's not necessary. Then, select a gateway from the previously configured ones. Add the server's hostname and port. Finally, enable encrypt if your server requires encrypted connection, set SSL protocol, and optionally trust certificate for secure communication. Now, click on the plus button to move on to the next part of the setup. In the new account wizard, we'll input the details of the monitoring user that we created in the previous step. Add a description for the user, then the username and password for the previously created monitoring account. Click on the plus icon to save. Next, you'll see the new server appear in the panel with a ready status initially. This may persist for a few minutes. If configuration errors occur, click on the log icon to investigate. If there are no errors, the status will change to in progress, and within 5 to 15 minutes, the newly onboarded server will appear in the service grid under the SQL Servers node. Monitoring Microsoft SQL Server key metrics. Once loaded, you can monitor the following key metrics by locating your SQL Server in the service grid under SQL Servers. Availability, checking if the server is up. Click and enlarge the chart icon next to a metric to view its historical trend. Connection failures, application connection failures. Heartbeat, real-time server health pings. Missing account, retriever failures, for missing credentials or data retrieval issues. IT-Conductor can also show extra monitoring details such as agent. This metric shows agent jobs, highlighting failed jobs and notifications. Backup. This metric tracks SQL Server backup operations and highlights errors in the errors node. Databases. Shows status and active connections. Here you can further drill into the DB files to see used space and status metrics. Error log. To view the error logs in the SQL Server, expand the error log node and click on the error log button, and examine in further detail. Linked servers. This shows the availability status of the linked servers. System performance. This option displays metrics such as active transactions, batch request rate, free memory, log timeout/wait time, log cache hit ratio, log used, blocked processes, SQL compilations/recompilations, update conflict ratio, user connections, and SQL statement elapsed time. These breakdowns help you immediately visualize where performance bottlenecks or stability issues may arise, such as agent job failures, backup errors, database file health, error logs, linked server connectivity, and deep system performance metrics. To sum up today's session, we've looked into how to set up a monitoring account with appropriate permissions in MSSQL, how to onboard and monitor your server in IT-Conductor, how to monitor availability, performance, backup health, logs, and deeper system metrics, all from one intuitive dashboard. With these insights, you're equipped to proactively manage MSSQL health and performance. Thank you for watching, and for more detailed guidance, be sure to check the IT-Conductor documentation.